Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start new lesson, fraction. To begin with, let's understand the term fraction. Fraction is a number that represents parts of a whole. A fraction is written in the form p upon q where q is not equal to 0. A fraction is a way of writing number that are not whole number. The general form of fraction is numerator upon denominator. We can take the example 5 upon 6. Here 5 is the numerator and 6 is the denominator. For better understanding of fractions, let's take an example. First, what is fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole. Here, the pizza is divided into 4 equal parts and there are 3 parts left with us. We will write it in a fraction as 3 upon 4 or 3 by 4 in which 3 is numerator, which tells the number of parts we have, and 4 is the denominator, which tells the total part in a whole. Coming to the types of fractions. First, proper fraction. Proper fraction are those fractions in which numerator is less than denominator. We can take an example 5 upon 6. Here 5 is less than the denominator 6. Or we can take another example 5 upon 7. Here numerator is 5 which is less than the denominator 7. Improper fractions. Improper fractions are those fractions in which numerator is more than the denominator. We can take the example 11 upon 5. 11 is the numerator which is more than the denominator 5. Moving on to the next part, that is mixed fractions. The improper fractions can be written in the mixed form also. It is the mixture of whole numbers and a fraction. So we can say that mixed fractions are a combination of whole numbers and a fraction. We can take the example 1 3 by 4, 4 1/4, etc. Like fractions. The fractions with the same denominator are like fractions. We can understand this with the help of an example 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 8 by 6, etc. You can just see that all are having the denominator same. When the numbers, or we can say when the fractions are having the denominator same, then they are known as like fractions. Unlike fractions, the fractions with different denominator are unlike fraction. We can take the example 6 upon 2, 7 upon 3, 4 by 6, etc. Because here the denominator is different for all the fractions. That's all for today. Thank you.